Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to this week's Wi-Fi Wednesday. Just going to go live on Facebook in just a sec. All right, guys, give me just one moment. I'm going to get started in just a sec. Welcome, everyone, to this week's Wi-Fi Wednesday. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and we meet here on Facebook Live and Zoom each and every week to talk about Wi-Fi marketing. This week is going to be super short and sweet. I'm currently working on a whole bunch of new materials and presentations. I know that I've shared a ton with you guys in the last little bit. I will run through them again today for those who are seeing this video or maybe checking in for the first time in a while. We have a whole bunch of new stuff in the members area that I've released. So that is actually the first thing I wanted to share with you today. So make sure you go out there and you use those new presentations. So that'll save you a ton of time. It comes down to some really short presentations that you can use when you're introing to a client, when you're closing a client. If, let's say, you want to go schedule a meet and greet, or you want to educate an audience. For example, you can go to BIA meetings, you can go to local meetups, you can educate others about Wi-Fi marketing. And I did all the hard work for you by sharing all these presentations, and all that is available inside the members area. So it's members.mywifi.io for those of you who are looking where that is located. I'll show you exactly where that's found. And we're actually going to be updating that members area because a lot of the content that is there has now been put into the new academy. So I'm going to be removing the content as far as the training from the members area. And here it is. And what I'm going to do is take away some of the content of the courses that are now inside the academy and leave this really more focused on the downloads. So where you find that is right over here on the downloads on the left. So when you go to the members area, click on downloads over there. You'll see marketing materials, then click on all marketing material downloads. What you'll find here is the Google Drive embedded, just an easy way for you to navigate this or click on what you want. So you click on presentations to start. This will open up the Google Drive. Always remember that anything you want to take from here, you will not be able to edit this. This is read-only for you, but you can take it and copy it to your drive. So how you do that is right-click, and you can actually open up not on the folder, but the actual file itself. And I believe you have to open it and you have to copy to my drive. For example, I will open this one, and you can see you can open this up in Google Slides, and you can also download it if you want. So that's always an option. These are in PowerPoint format, so they will open up on PowerPoint natively on your, if you have Microsoft PowerPoint installed on your computer, you can do that. Or you can actually use it natively in Google Slides. So those of you who caught it, I mentioned it a few weeks ago, Google Slides recently updated their whole system to open up PowerPoint slides and edit them natively. So you'll see here, even though this is a PPTX file, this is all editable in Google Slides. So it's pretty awesome. It uses our custom font here as well. So this is pretty cool. So here is all the slides. If you want to educate somebody on different business models, or educate yourself, or educate your sales team, this is all yours. You can white label this, change it all, put your logo on it, and really go out there and educate others on exactly how to build their own social Wi-Fi networks. And this is on the business model side. I will be training in all this stuff in the bootcamp shortly and recording all these videos of walking you through this content. But I wanted to give you guys all the slides, at least to give you guys a head start. A lot of you guys know this already, and this is now yours. You're able to take these slides and use them for your training purposes. Cool, so all this is available. Inside the presentations, we have sales training, a whole bunch of stuff on sales training here. We also have some client decks. These are the ones I just talked about, the discovery, the closing, and if you want to educate on retail, for example. This is the same presentation that I did at the recent Collision conference, which talks about why as a brick and mortar retailer, you need to start offering guest Wi-Fi and use that as a tool to capture leads. Cool, so make sure you guys go check that out. With all that, please let me know what requests you have. Is there anything specific that you want us to develop? A specific presentation, specific slide, format, layout, anything like that, please let me know, because I will have our team, or I'll actually personally get it kicked off and have our team help if required. But I really love, developing this stuff personally for you guys, because I find that, I have my ear to the ground and I know a lot of what's happening on the front end of Wi-Fi marketing and the sales side. So I actually do a lot of this stuff personally and I share it with you. So that's pretty awesome that you guys have all access to that. And please go ahead and use it, leverage it. And if there's anything that I can do for you, please let us know. If there's any requests for marketing materials, you can always request that here. So I actually have inside the feedback.mywifi.io. Over here, you can click on marketing materials. And I did a couple of these things already, but I will be sure to work through this and create a whole bunch of new templates for you guys and then add all of them to Google Drive when they are ready. So I will share this for those of you who are in the Facebook group right now. So vote for new materials. Make sure you check out the Facebook group for that link, exactly where to vote for those new materials. And as well, you can also vote for other things. We are working through a lot of the platform features, but specifically in the Academy, if you want me to train a lot of this, we haven't actually gone through it and marked it as complete. I will be going through that shortly. But if there's stuff here that you see has not been covered, you would love for us to cover, please let me know and I'll be sure to get to it right away. Again, the link there is feedback.mywifi.io and you can vote for everything you want right there. All right, guys, if you have any personal questions about support, anything about your account, about billing, about anything like that, please contact support.mywifi.io or wifi-supportdesk.com. Do not post in the Facebook group. That's not what the purpose of the Facebook group is for. Facebook group is all about strategy, marketing, advice, not about specific support questions. So please direct those to support. We have live chat waiting for you, ready to help. And that's where, that's where it's best to go for those kind of questions. So if there's any questions I can get to right now, please do let me know. Otherwise, the channels are always open, wifi-supportdesk.com or right inside our dashboard. You can chat with us right there, and I'd be happy to get someone on our team to help you. All right, I see a bunch of thank yous, no questions. So thank you all for joining as well, for those who are watching live and also those who are going to be watching the replay of this. Shortly, I'm going to be posting a lot of these replays, edited versions of these Wi-Fi Wednesdays right onto YouTube. So you'll be able to go back and see a lot of the good training that might have got lost in the mix as I go here every week. There's a ton of video to go through. So we're going to be putting that into a more searchable format and little bite-sized clips that you can view on YouTube. And I'll be doing a ton of new training as well on Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and simulcast across all of the channels with a whole bunch of new platform demos as we release some new features very shortly. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining. Obviously, thank you for being partners. Thank you for using the platform. If you have any questions, please let us know, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.